You eat food? Yeah. Say morning, Fibs. Say morning. Say morning. Say morning, Fibs. You're saying everything else except morning. Alright, let's go get ready for school. Run along. Gonna be late.
No.
1,
No.
2,
No.
3,
No.
go! Ah! Say morning, Fibs. Say morning, please.
I'm going to school.
Right, say morning.
Morning, Mama.
And morning, Fibs.
Morning, Papa.
Die! You're a little trickster. Say,
No, I'm not.
say morning, please. Say morning, Fibs.
Morning light.
Say morning, Fibs.
Morning face.
You see your face?
Morning room.
Morning room.
Yes.
You're funny.
No,
You are a funny little man.
no.
You're a funny little man.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Alright, so we're getting ready for school, right? Right? Put down the basket. That's dirty clothes. You say you don't want to go gather today?
No.
Why?
Good.
Because you're gonna Mama to pick you up early?
Yeah.
Alright, Mama gonna pick you up early. So you can come home and play with your toys. And don't let anybody slap you at school today, you hear me?
Yeah.
You slap them back. Anybody slap you, you slap them back. Alright. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, my child, I wish these French schools were like English schools, where if something happened to your kid at school, they make you know. Yesterday, as I pick up Tyler from school, I noticed a fingernail mark in his face right here. I said, Tyler, what's wrong with your face? He said, Mama, I don't know, but I give him time. I said, Tyler, what's wrong with your face? It have a cut on it. He said, Mama, I don't know. So I said, alright, let me give him some time. He'll tell me what's wrong. By the time his dad to reach home, he said to me, Mama, I do not want to go to God. No, he said, Mama, I don't want to go to school anymore. So I said, what? That's unlike Ty. Tyler loves school. So I said, why you don't want to go to school anymore? He said, Mama, Charlie's beating me. He said, Charlie in the blue is beating me. No. If you've been watching us for a while, I explained to you, yeah?
The front of the yellow side.
Okay. If you have been watching us for a while, go up. Then you know that his school is divided into yellow, blue, and red. And the yellow is the beginners, which is Tyler said. Then you have the blue, which is the after the yellow. Then you have the red, which the red is gonna move on to kindergarten. So he have to go through yellow uniform, blue uniform, and red uniform before he moves on. Yes. So when he goes to after school here, they mix all three of them into one room to play. So this little boy that's wearing blue by the name of Charlie, he told me, hit him yesterday. So I said, when they hit you, what you supposed to do?
Slap them back.
Exactly. Since the teacher is not telling me, or whoever is watching them in after school care is not telling me that somebody's hitting my child, then he's gonna have to defend himself.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
you know that I wanna her over here to tell the metro to
To tell mattress,
yes.
you did. And what mattress say?
And the dude suddenly do like that.
To your hand.
Yes, and I was running away.
Next time you slap him back if he slap you. You hear me?
Okay.
And let nobody bully you at school. So now because of that, he's telling me this morning as you wake up, he said, Mama, I do not want to go to gardery anymore. That's what they call the aftercare. So I'm not going to send him today. You know, sometimes you have to listen to your kids and don't force them to do what you want them to do. So if he don't want to go today, I'm just going to write in his book, because everything with school, you have to relate through a book that is in his bag. So if they have anything to tell us, they write it in the book. If we have anything to tell them, we write it in the book. So I'm gonna write in his book this morning that no aftercare today. So I pick him up early when school is finished to let him come home. If he don't want to go aftercare, I'm not gonna send him, because I'm not gonna send him to let anybody bully him at school and let him be afraid of school. Because this kid, he loves school. But if a bigger kid is going to maneuver him and slap him, it's gonna be kind of hard sometimes for him to retaliate, because he's a bigger kid than he is. And I don't want nobody taking my kid for a beating. And Tyler is such a nice kid. Sometimes he don't want to retaliate.
Mama.
So we're teaching him that, listen, you
Mama.
slap them back.
Mama.
Yes.
The Max said that he's was my friend and he's was nice.
Yeah. Let me show you guys the fingernail cut in Tyler's face. Let's show face the cut in your face. Turn around. There it is. A fingernail sink in my child's face. Right in his face. A literal fingernail that can poison. It pissed me off yesterday,
Mama.
you see. Yes, baby. That's how you dance?
Yeah.
You sexy self.
You have the makeup on?
If I have makeup on?
Yeah.
No, I don't have no makeup on, so you can't touch my face. So your hand won't become brown. Okay. And I said, let nobody hit you at school. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't let me tell you again.
Ho!
Put your foot in.
Ho! Ho! Ho!
And you don't hit anybody first. You hear me?
Okay.
You be nice. You always be nice.
Ho!
But if they hit you, what you do? If they hit you first, yes, and then you run to my chest. Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Lita.
Alright, let's go before we're late. Go, go, go.
Mama have to go.
Oh my God, you guys. Yo, pray for me. I finally made it back home from dropping Tyler at school. Of course, it took me twice the time, because this little girl, man, she's doing me really bad. She's doing me really bad. Yesterday, I stayed in bed all day. I couldn't do anything, even if I tried. It was just more than what I could take on. So I listened to my body, and I just laid down all day yesterday. If I do try standing for like 10 minutes max, I'll make it to 10 minutes. But after that, I have to take a break. I have to lay down. I was cooking dinner yesterday, and I had to pause so many times between making dinner. Just making dinner was hard for me yesterday. So yesterday I couldn't vlog. I couldn't do nothing. Just nothing yesterday. But this morning I woke up and I feel a little bit better. But once I proceed to start walking, it becomes hard again on me. Because baby girl is sitting so low. I just have to take it easy. And I can feel that today is going to be the same as yesterday. I won't be able to do nothing, but that's okay. I'm completely okay with that. I am going to try and make my breakfast real quick, just a real fast sandwich, egg sandwich, and a cup of tea, and then I'm gonna digest and lay right down because your girl is not feeling so good. So y'all, baby girl have me under real manners. So that's a little preggo update for you guys. Let me show you guys her. There she is sitting here. Look at that. Oh, when I was walking on the street just now dropping Thai, everybody was looking at me wondering, is this woman okay? Because the pain just shows in my face. Oh my gosh. And I passed another pregnant lady dropping her kid at school too, and she was having the same reaction on her face and holding her stomach the same as me, and we both just look at each other and start laughing and says good luck, because she looks the same as me. It look like we're due together. She's wobbling and I look like a literal duck going down the street, just that I walk slower than a duck. Imagine that. Anyway, you guys, this vlog will be just me rambling about my pregnancy. However, I am grateful. Baby's off to work, Tyler is off to school, and like I said, I'm going to make me some breakfast. So you guys have yourself a good day. Finish watching the rest of this vlog to see how my day will end with all these Braxton Hicks contractions that's going on. Anyway, you guys, let's try and get this breakfast done. Look at my girl. She's just poking out. Nice little morning nap. As usual, I can't hang past 10 o'clock. So I took me a nap and woke up just in time for lunch, and I made lunch. I had some corned beef left over in the fridge, so I just add some cabbage to that, and had dumpling and banana, and I have this Vitamalt in the fridge for the longest time, and I finally feel for it, so I'm gonna have a Vitamalt instead of Coca-Cola today. And my Powerade is finished, so I need to go stock up on some Powerade. So yeah, that's the lunch for today. I'm here moving like a snail, trying to make some dinner for the family. Hey, who is that? Who is that? So I'm just making some sauté chicken real quick. Okay, I soon make it out to the field. So I'm sauteing this chicken, which basically just about finished right now. I have some broccoli here and some veggie pasta, spinach pasta is in here, and that's as simple as dinner is gonna be tonight. I have zero strength and I'm moving like a snail, but I get it done. Smells so good too. Now I'm gonna throw half of this pasta back in the pot.
Mama, look at me.
Like that.
Look at me.
And I'm gonna put.
Look at me.
Look at you.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Hello.
I'm gonna put the broccoli in there. And then I'm gonna throw all this chicken on top of it so that it can have that yummy chicken flavor going. And I just mix this up, and that's as easy as dinner gonna get tonight. There we go. Dinner is ready. Hey guys. You can say hello?
I say hello.
No,
You were
did
not looking.
Me no need to look, me need to hear
You were
it.
not looking.
Can you say hello, please?
Hi. Oh
Oh, my
no.
face so fat.
Hello. I make it Chinese. Hello.
Chinese would say that?
Yeah. Hello.
You're ridiculous. Anyway, you guys, update on Tyler's school dilemma. As I pick him up early today, like I told you guys this morning, he told me that, Mama, somebody slapped me today, and I slapped him back, and I told him, don't do that again. So you guys will be proud of him. So he defended himself today. Good job, Ty. But he's gone to bed. These days I am not catching him before bed because you guys know I don't have the energy to do the vlogs like I used to, with all the routines and stuff. So he's gone to bed, he's sleeping, and can you guys tell that I'm ready to go to my bed too? I'm tired. How was your day, babe?
That was long and tired. I feel my legs like I need a massage right now. I need to put it in a swimming pool and a jacuzzi.
Swimming pool outside?
Yeah, I need to put them in the jacuzzi and the massage.
Update. I got exciting news from babe today that he will be able to stay at the hospital with me. My insurance will be able to cover babe staying at the hospital with me, which I always wanted when we had Ty, but he couldn't get to stay when we have Ty, but this time he get to stay with me, so that's exciting. I'm so looking forward to that. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. By the way, we got some packages today, but it's going to be tomorrow's vlog, so you guys have to stay tuned to see. Look, we even have dimples now. You guys have to stay tuned to see that amazing unboxing that is coming tomorrow, which we filmed just now before Tyler went to bed. It was a good one. So yeah, if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and continue to pray for me because this little girl is still stiffing me out. The contractions are still coming. It's not as bad today as it was tomorrow. Yesterday this time I was already long in bed, and today I'm up a little bit later, so it's not as bad today, but keep me prayed up, you guys. Anyway, catch up and keep up. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.